Hello everyone, this is the screwdriver. Today we will make Arduino Voltmeter. Let's do it. All the things required are in the description box. For circuit information, check the description. Here we will use jumper cables as probes. Now I am uploading the code to the Arduino board. For the code, check link in the description box. Now code is done uploading. Power the Arduino with a power bank or a battery. Let's test it. It shows around 1 volt when it's not connected and 0 volts when probes touch each other. Let's test with a dead battery. It shows 0.45 volts. It's a 3.3 volt rechargeable battery. Let's try again after charging it.
2 hours later.
It's fully charged now and it is showing around 3.3 volts. Let's try with a battery which is used for 2 months. It is showing 1.18 volt which I expected. So it works perfectly. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also stay tuned.